That's it. I chop. That's it. I chop.
I'll get dunked, bruh.
Bye bye, Max. Oh, dive him! What was he doing?
Oh, I can't wait to send this to Max. He isn't even.
No, I was gonna proxy you, goon.
Oh, I need to send this video to Max.
Yeah, Mux, what are you doing? Yeah, but come here, we got the jug.
We got drugs.
Never mind, we gotta go back. Damn it, Max.
Wow.
Oh, no. Get. Wait, what?
We need to catch him raging.
Max? Max? Wow, you're so bad.
Oh,
No,
yes.
shut up, Max, you're bad. Oh, let's not get the Aatrox that kills the carcass and then stands right in his AoE for 2 seconds. No, you couldn't have, noob, because you didn't.
Oh, best video.